Well, me and my friend Leah, we barely started these videos, so sorry for anything that happens and like doesn't turn out how you normally think it would. And we're just gonna use some Jelly Belly, like these things, I don't know what they're called. And we're just going to get these, I guess. You could use any kind of these strips, I guess. And we have some of the sugar in here too. And we have some, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 pieces of this. But it kind of makes a lot because they're kind of long. So what we're going to do, we're just going to kind of rip it like this. Ugh. I'm sorry, it's really tough.
So it should kind of end up looking something like this, and just put them in like 1/4 cup of water.
What? Sorry. Did you
It
pause
doesn't
it?
say it backs. No, I didn't pause it.
Oh.
There's not a maximum.
Oh. But don't make the pieces too big like I did there, so make sure you get them a good size like that. We're just going to let the sugar dissolve into there, and then make them like tarty. Look, I have a little snack. And this is our first video, so I'm sorry for anything that happens that
You wouldn't see in a normal YouTuber's channel.
And come on, we're kids. It's not that easy. That's not good. And we're just gonna keep doing this. Oops. There. And then, I'm sorry. We don't have no popsicle sticks, so we're just gonna use the end of this. We're just gonna stir this and let it sit for a minute. Oh yeah.
Okay, we'll go
and some
ahead.
of our other materials that we need: a whisk, a little pot, a bowl,
Or an actual pot.
Yep.
This little pot is just like a fake little thing right here. You don't have to use this. You can use like a little bowl. But we're just gonna use it because it might be easier.
And we're gonna hold these back for a minute.
while we just drain out the extra water.
Oops. Whatever.
Looks like mine.
And we're gonna put these in first.
So the water, all the like sugar water, is gonna be in here.
Oops. Oops.
And down there are our actual pieces of candy.
And then we're just going to put the sugar, the excess sugar that we had from those candies into here.
From these candies.
And we're just gonna stir until it looks nice like that, and it kind of looks like salt and water, which it's not. So don't think it's salt. See, pretty good. And sour. Woo! And we're going to spread these out on the bottom. We don't want them touching each other, because then they'll grow together, I guess. And we're going to start to melt them in the pot. And we're just going to put this to like a 6 or a medium. And me here, we're just going to stir this. See? It's looking like a beauty. Leah, can you please bring over the water, please?
Yes, I will.
And we are slowly going to start pouring the water in. We're just going to turn this to low, the lowest there is, and then we're just going to stir.
It's okay if it doesn't like melt right away. It's not supposed to. Because of the type of candy it is. It's like a happy-ish kind of thing.
And when your things start to like starts sticking to the thing, that's when you want to start stirring it again. So we're just going to pause this video and you'll see after. Into there. And then, so we don't want the water, we just want the candy. And just leave a little bit of water so it helps it like freeze better, like we did for the boil eggs there. And yes, I am wearing footy pajamas with a Mickey Mouse shirt.
Don't ask.
Don't ask. It was freezing last night in Colorado.
I'm sure whatever mess you make.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're just gonna look. That's a beauty. It's a keeper.
Whoa. No, you just want it to kind of be like this. It's like a little mush. It's not like our sweet kind anymore. It's colorful mush.
What time did you get off work yesterday?
I think 3 o'clock
What?
in the morning. Yeah. And we start at what? 2:30?
Yeah, but that's forever, James.
You're telling me I was outside in the cold. For some cool, it was late.
Yeah. Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Hello? Sorry about that. And we're just gonna grab this. Bye. And we're going to put it into that little pot that we had it in first.
Here, I'll go ahead and scoot the camera over that way and a little more.
Sorry about that. And we're just gonna put it to the side. Don't pour it in yet. We're just gonna put it all to the side.
I think hand recording works better.
Yep. And we're gonna start pouring this in. And we're just gonna go like that. And we're gonna set this water right here until it gets a little cold. So just let that sit. And
Don't worry about that piece of
Here
candy that's
we
in there.
it fell in there. We're just gonna grab one piece that hasn't been used yet, and we're gonna fold it in half like this. And we're going to grab our knife, and we're going to twist.
What do they make it?
Popsicles out of candy.
Just candy and water.
Well, there's basically not any water. And then we're gonna stick it to the front. And we're going to put it in there. We might want to tip it a little bit. Actually, just put the candy in there. And watch this video before you even start doing anything. And then watch it again. And then maybe a third time. And then do your experiment.
Yes, because
we don't even know how this is going to come out. But we still want to do something. So we're still going to post it.
we're gonna try this. We've never done this before, which means it's kind of like a start, especially because this is our first video.
Yep. Yeah, so we're just going to put this in our secret little hideout in our freezer up here so nobody grabs it and thinks it's ready. So we're just going to do that, and we're going to clean up our mess here.
Yeah, I'll pause the video while we get this.
And we are just going to put a little bit of cold water in here. And while we paused it, we kind of put the water in the freezer too. And we are going to put this in here. Just a little bit. I don't know how much it was. And now we're going to stir again. And we kind of just want candy. So we're just going to do that again. It's just so it gets a little bit rich right there. And it stays moist. Look at that, fellows. Look at that. And we're just going to set this in here for about 1 or 2 hours. And it might be ready, or 3 hours is the average. Or even a half an hour it could be done. because candy hardens really fast. That's why you never want to put like a piece of gum sticking right there in like the snow, because then it's going to turn hard and you can't bite it no more. It's going to be a rock. That's my theory of rocks. Okay. Pause the video. So right now, you can see that our things are trying to freeze right now. And after only 10 minutes, they're already starting to freeze. See? See? And so they'll be finished in probably only 30 minutes. So stay tuned. And after a couple more minutes, we just want to show you again. Here, let's see. It's coming out pretty good. And you could kind of use just any candy you want. You know what? We're going to let this freeze first. And then we'll put the popsicle sticks in. But keep waiting. Dun, 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 dun. Really? Yep. Shine my face. And this is how it looks like when it's finished. Oh, whoops. And it looks yummy, doesn't it? And I'm just going to take a little bite. And that's so good. Hope you like the video.
That was the end of our video for candy popsicles. It didn't turn out that well, so you might want to watch this video before you even try making your own experiment, because it didn't end out that well.
Nope.
You can still eat it. It's still pretty good, but it's just like weirdly deformed.
I'm gonna start eating that. That was good. I mean, when I say good, I mean good.
Thank you for watching, and come back next time. And next time we will be making a video.
Look, it's frozen right here.
And goodbye.